Today we are going to discuss about if-else conditions in C programming in-depth concepts. C programming if-else follows a simple structure. If the condition is true, it executes the following statements. If condition is false, it stops its execution. Let's say a simple if-else statement. Here A is 5, B equal to 10. If A is greater than B, it executes this statement. If this condition false, it executes this statement. Here A is 5, B is 10. Probably B is higher than A. If we execute this program, B is higher. If you see one more program, here A is 4 and B equal to 1. Here A is higher number, but here the condition is a bit complex. The A should be higher than 5 and A must not equal to 0. Then only A is higher, if not B. Here the output is B is higher. The reason why A is 4, B equal to 1. We know A is higher number than B, but it fails, it doesn't satisfy this condition. So it shows B is higher number. Now let's see the nested if condition. Construction of one if statement within another if statement called nested if. Let's see an example to know about nested ifs briefly. Here you can see first I declared a variables A, B, C with 5 to 5. First it checks whether if A greater than B, 5 greater than 2, then it executes the statement. If A equal to C, means A is 5, C is 5, so both are 5, then this condition also true, then it executes this. If A is less than B, or suppose if you think, let me compile this. You can see A and C are equal. Now see one more example. Here this program is about finding big number among given 4 integers. Here I declare 4 variables, A equal to 5, B equal to 2, C equal to 5 and D equal to 10 and A big. Firstly, if A greater than B, A greater than, and first if A greater than B and A greater than C and A greater than D, if this condition satisfies, it will initialize B equal to A. If not, it will execute this. If B equal to C and B equal to D, means it will check whether B is highest number among remaining 3 numbers or not. If not, it will check whether C is highest. If not, it will print D as biggest number. If you execute this statement, if you execute this program, you can see biggest number is 10. Now let's discuss about if-else if ladder style. This is not a special control statement. It is one kind of written style of nested if structure. When several alternative decisions exist, it rearranges of nested if structure like a straight line, unlike crossed line as shown here. let's see its code structure. This is the following syntax of if-else if ladder. If marks greater than or equal to 90, then it prints A grade. If the marks is greater than or equal to 70 and marks less than 90, it will print B grade. If marks greater than or equal to 50 and marks less than 70, it prints C grade. If not, if any of these conditions fails, it will print this fail grade. Now if I execute this program, now I'm entering marks as 90 and I'll hit enter. You can see A grade. I'll execute again. If I enter marks below 50, like 45, you can see grade is failed. Now let's see this if-else conditions in depth now. In C, any relation or logical expression results either will be 1 or 0 to determine true or false respectively. Suppose, let's see the below grams. For example, let's write a program. If A greater than B, printf A, else printf B. Print A equal to 5, B equal to 1. Now, if this condition satisfies, it will return 1 as output. Now, it will, if this condition is true, it returns 1. If not, it returns 0. Now, if I execute this program, it prints A because A is higher than B. Now, instead of writing this all, if I write if 1, print A, else print B. Anyways, we know that compiler returns 1 if the condition is true. Now, if I execute this now I'll save this and I'll execute this program. Now you can see it prints output as A. Now, if I enter 0 now, this condition is false condition. Now I'll save again, and if I execute the program, you can see it prints B as output. Now I'll go in depth in these concepts. First, here we need to remember this logical OR and logical AND table. Here for logical AND, when A and B are true, then only output is true. If not, false for all remaining conditions. For logical OR, if both are false, then only it's false. If not, it returns true as statement. Now let's implement in using C. If 0 and 1, it means false and true. False and true is always false. Now let's implement in it. I'll write false and true. It might be easier for you to understand. I'll save this. If false and true, I'll execute this. It will forward brace, execute it. You can see output is false. If I give true, then only it's true. Mean if 1 and 1, then it will print true. Similarly for OR gate, if true or true, then it is true. I'll execute this program once again. It prints true. If I give both false, then it will print output as false. See, you can see the output is false. Now can you guess the output of this program and comment below? First, the k value is -5 and the condition is 0 less than k less than 10. I'll write below 0 less than -5 less than 10. You can see here -5 is less than 10, true, and 0 less than -5, so false. We might think that this is a false condition. Now I'll save the program and execute this program. Here you can see that the output is k in between 0 and 10. But by seeing this condition, we can clearly say that it is a false condition. But why the compiler showing the wrong output? Here, if you observe carefully, 0 less than -5 is false. -5 less than 10 is true. The compiler will think in a way that first it will see this, it is a false condition, and it will see this, it is a true condition. So the given condition ends with a true line. So it will think that it is a true condition, and it execute this statement. Now I'll show you one more program. Now can you guess the output and comment below? Here this is not an if-else condition program, but I just want you to think in a way that the compiler thinking. By seeing this, would x equal to not x? Means you might think x equal to not x means, I'll explain you here. X equal to not x means if x equal to 0, 0 means Boolean 0. Boolean 0, it will change it to 1. If not, it will change it to 0. Now x is 10, means it is not it is not 0. So not no not 0 means x equal to not x means x equal to 1. So not x equal to 0. Y equal to not x means Now can now you know that x is 0 because the above statement because of the above statement. So not x means it changes to 1 and again to 0. So x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Now let's compile this program and see the output. You can see x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more depth videos. And that's it. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.